So I heard you mentioning about a gauge. What's the difference between your gauge and thickness?
So that's a good question. Gauge and thickness, man. Here's the gauge, right? You need a caliper to check that, right? So that's a certain gauge, and this is a different gauge, and this is a different gauge. That's the wall thickness of your aluminum wall. Now you have another thickness of the profile where you see this profile is a 1/2 inch or less, and it could go into this one. That's what I mean when we say thickness of the profile. And there's nothing bad about a slim profile other than it could be flimsy, bend fast, warp fast. So you want to go with a 3/4 and up when it comes to a slat system. And there's really important detail to know. If you're buying 1/2 inch or less, you're paying for less aluminum, and that should be reflected on the pricing, because here you're going to have a lot more aluminum and a lot more durability in regards to a wall, and also probably your post is going to be thicker, and you want thicker post and bigger sizes post for that durability. But just think about it. If you have a 1/2 inch profile versus a 3/4 or 1 inch, when you get to that span of the 5 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet span of slat just standing between two posts, I mean, you don't have to be too smart to know that a 1/2 inch is going to be weaker than a 3/4 because it's taking more surface. The more surface you take, the stronger your product will be. So if you just took a quote right now from two vendors, and one vendor is giving you 1/2 inch, one vendor is giving you 3/4, the prices are very similar. That means you're getting more for your value on the thicker gauges. So it's very important to compare the gauge of the wall, but the size of the actual profile. Plus, imagine doing a 1/2 inch thickness gate with no frame. What kind of gate you're getting there, right? Versus a 3/4 with a gate frame. So big difference. You want to know, because you want to know what you're paying for, and it's something that should be asked in every quote. The gauge thickness plus the size of the actual profile. And same thing for gate frames, same thing for patio cover posts and all that.